Hi everyone. I was asked after I did the basic boutique bow on the template if I would show you all how to do the tailed version. So I've done it, so I've got pigtail sets, so you've got the left and the right, and I have done a full tutorial that shows you how to do it left and right. But I thought to save time and do a slightly shorter video, I would show you just how to do it like the most natural way for me, just on one side rather than both. So I have 70 centimeters here, and I have done my tail at 10 centimeter, and I have folded it and then pinched it in half and done like my heat crease there. And then from the new middle, or new start point, I brought it up and heat crease the centre. Now this is 1.5 inch ribbon, and I've got 1.5 inch ribbon Brilliant Bow Maker snap clip template. And what we want to do is start with the tail. You want to slot it in onto your clips, and you want to bring your tail in line against your guide like we did when we started the original one. So it's there. We're going to put our clips right up where our A and B is, so keep things centered. There we go. And then from this side, where we've got this loop, so you still want to make it a loop, I'm going to clip that in, but you want to bring this side back up so its line's going over the A point again, but you've still got that loop there. Okay, and then we clip this bit in this side, and you can turn it round so it's back towards you. You want to slap that directly over into the cups. You want to adjust it until it too is directly over the A point. And you'll see again, when you do it, it all lines up and they're all crossing in that same centre section, so they're all lined up and it's balanced and tidy and even. And using the back as a guide from where we did that pinch in the centre of the tail, that is the very centre point where we want to put just a tack stitch in. So it's not a complicated stitch, it is literally an up down. This is just so when we're putting our sides on in a minute, it all stays in place and this centre doesn't slip or move. So there we go. And we're going to re-tie my thread. It's very warm in the UK at the minute. We're in the middle of another heat wave. And I don't make as much when it's this warm because I'm prone to making more mistakes naturally. Don't know about anyone else, but that's just how I work when it gets this hot. So I'm just going to take my clips off for now and turning it so you've got your tails facing towards you. Make sure it's clipped in. Just bring your peak up to get your loop so you get your crease in the right area. And heat crease. Always use a blue clear bit of your lighter. And again, always make sure it's in its little cradles. Bring it up to its natural peak. And do your heat crease. Okay, and then bring it over your template. And bring it down so it fits into your cup here. Make sure this is still lined up with your point there. And again, flip your template over and repeat the opposite side. The other thing is, you can see it's not quite as lined up as the other side. So just give it an adjustment till it matches, and then fold this over so your tail doesn't get in the way when you're stitching or anything like that. Make sure all your sides look nice and even there as well. And then from the back, you want to go from underneath. There's one. Then from low, you want to come just over that edge there. Watch your template. Make sure you don't get tangled around it, like I do on occasion. There we go, that's better. And then 3, just a little bit before your centre. 4, just after your centre. 5, back down, so you're going through the last edge on that side. Again, watch template. And then your 6th one, back up through there. And then you can take the clip out the way again. And all you want to do is pop these off. Unsnap them basically. I'm just gonna bring this up. Tidy up my... That's why you don't often use the clear bit of the flame. But there you go. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the back you've got 1, 2, 3, which is where you get your 3 creases. There's your tail look. And then you can take your thread and bring it together so you get your nice 3 creases. Make it nice and tight. Round we go. Round we go. And then stitch off however you personally prefer. And this is what you will get straight off the template, like so. I just want the matching 9mm. Some glue on the back of your clip. Heat seal. Open this up and round once. Open up, bring it round there, and then put my thumb here. Twist this over so you get a nice twist. Round. Make sure you don't cut your bow. Heat seal. Glue. And then lift this up, and you can do a curve this way or this way, whichever is more appealing to you. I tend to do this way. Get rid of my glue strings. And there you go. You've got a super cute tailed boutique bow made on the snap clip templates. And like I said, you can start your tail this way or you can start your tail this way, whichever way you prefer. You can make it into a pigtail set, or you can just do it whichever side comes more naturally to yourself. You'll find if you're right-handed, your tails tend to be this way. If you're left-handed, your tails tend to end up facing this way. It's just how it works out naturally. I don't quite know how it works out, but that's how it tends to fall for you. But there you go. Simple tailed boutique bow on the snap clip. Brilliant Baker's snap temple. Thanks for watching, everyone.